Hello everyone, welcome back to SAPS for HANA Flow. In today's video, I am going to show you one of the most important and frequently asked topics in SAP, how to find the BAdI using the classic CL underscore exit handler method. So this technique is extremely useful for SAP MM and ABAP consultant, especially when you want to identify which BAdI is getting triggered during the transaction like ME21N, MIGO or MIRO. I will explain this step by step with a real-time example system demo, so even beginners can understand it easily. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the system and see how this work in real time. So step one is we need to open the class builder, then we need to go T code SC24, then we need to enter the class name which is exit handler, and then we need to click on display. So we will go into the ACP screen and we'll see. So we need to enter the transaction code SE24N. We need to enter the CL exit handler. Then we need to click on display. So our step two is locate get instance. So check method list, find the get instance and double click to open the code. So we'll see in the system. So we have the get instance. Here we have the second number option. We need to click on here, double click. After double click, you will find this program. So next step is we need to check for the this case SYSUBRC. So in this case, the this is our line number 28. So I am applying here the breakpoint. To apply the breakpoint, click on this blank space. Um, Here, yeah, you can see below one pop-up message came like session breakpoint was set. Then the next step is we need to go to the step 4, and step 4 is open new session and run transaction ME21N, Migo, Myro, whatever T code we want. So that we can run and perform the action, and then after that debugger will automatically open. So let's go into the ACP screen. So I will click on new screen. In new screen, I will enter the transaction code ME21N. So you see a system automatically came here. So debugger automatically started. So next step is identify BAdI. So we need to check the variable underscore exit name. So display BAdI name, press F8 to continue. This I will show in the system. So here you will find the variable one right side. Uh, you need to enter here the exit underscore name, then press enter. After pressing enter, you will find the value here. In value, you will find the this BAdI name me underscore GUIP underscore PO underscore cust. This is the BAdI. So if you want to check the other BAdI, so just you click here, press F8. So here you can see other BAdI for tax, ME tax underscore from address. Again you press F8. Here also one BAdI, ME commitment parking. Here also one BAdI you will find ME POSC service. So one rule here. So whatever start with ME, that is our BAdI. So again if you press F8, ME hold PO, this is also BAdI. This is also cancel PO. So SCP will we need to enter the purchase organization. Again will come in the debugger's key. Then again we need to enter the F8. Again system will ask to enter the purchase order. We'll enter the purchase or sorry purchase group. Then we need to enter the supplier. Again press F8. F8. Again system will ask to enter. Then we'll enter the material number. So again you will find BAdI here. This is one BAdI. Again press F8, 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 F8. This is also one BAdI, F8. This is ME underscore PO underscore pricing. And this is also BAdI. Press F8. This is BAdI serial number in STO. F8. Yeah. So system will asking us to enter the plant. We'll enter the plant here. Again, system will go into the debugger mode. F8, 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 BAdI. This is you can see BAdI serial in STO. F8. Again, system will ask us to enter the quantity. Then again press F8, 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 8. This is BAdI, BAdI, BAdI. Enter. Then click on check. Again press F8. This is also BAdI, BAdI serial number. Okay. Then click on save. Click on save. Here one BAdI came like ME info record send. Again press enter, enter. Sorry, F8, 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 F8. This is also body ME purchase doc posted. So this is how you can easily find a BAdI in SAP using the exit handler method. And as you saw, this technique is extremely helpful when you are working on enhancement in transactions like ME21N, MyGo, Miro, especially when you don't know which BAdI getting trigger in the background. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SAP S4HANA Flow for more real-time SAP video and interview-oriented concepts. So, in my next video, I will show you advanced ways to find BAdI in S4HANA, including the get BAdI statement and enhancement spot method, which are very important for modern projects. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.